Hey there. Gosh, oh, here he is. Today is the very first frozen day. Everything's frozen. But this little guy right here, let me see if I can get him. The little woodpecker, he can't peck into the tree. Hey, guy. I know. Cause it's, oh, where you going, baby? You go back. It's so cold he can't poke into the tree. Got ice in the water trough. Good morning, Sparks. Good morning. Good morning, Mar. Oh, are you going back? I know. He's talking to me. He's talking to me. Say good morning, Mar. Good morning, Mar. Good morning, Mar. Hi. Sparks, you got hail on your hair. Oh, what's going on with your eye? Still? Let's go see our woodpecker again. Are you really trying your little heart out to get into that tree right there? I know. I know. It's frozen, babe. Where'd you go? You want to go on camera? I want to show. You're so pretty. I know. You're okay. You keep hiding. What? He doesn't want to be on camera. He's going to go to that tree. Hey, Chuck and Rio. Neighbor's horses. Hi, guys. Everything's frozen. Gotta put the heater in the water troughs today. First time we've had to do that. Not too bad. It's December 21st. Usually we gotta do it before this. I wish I could help that little birdie out.